Working with a 1966 Cadillac glove box. The latch is normally a common fail. So if you look inside here, you look inside this one, you can actually see what's missing and what's broken. So at which point you can see the brand new one is identical. You can see it's got the factory mounting tabs right here that go right into the factory mounting notches right here. So when replacing this, it's very simple. The nut threads into here. If it doesn't thread in nicely, you're cross-threading it. Dry fit it before you put it in back into the glove box. Okay, if you got to put a drop of oil on the threads, put a drop of oil on the threads. All right. So once it's in here, okay, then you take your lock cylinder. Okay, little fingers, they depress. Okay, now test it. Make sure it goes lock and unlock. Because if you don't test it and it's locked, you put this together, you're not going to get this unlocked. All right, so you know that works. Now it's time to install. Simplest way that I do things here is put the nut in first. Hold it with your fingertips. Put this on, thread it. If it's not going on smooth, then you're cross-threading it. All right, seems to be the case there. Okay. Lock it in where the tabs are, and you should be able to use your fingertips. Okay, so I can't lock it down with my finger. Then we undo it, and we start over. So if you cross-thread it, you're not going to be happy. The lock's not going to be happy. The car's not going to be happy. All right. Again, into the tabs, and then you use your finger, tighten it up. That's how you know you got it. All right. Then you'll notice this little hex inside here. You can get your Allen wrench in there, tighten it up even more. All right. So this is locked in place, so you can't twist it. It's a lock cylinder. Your fingers sticking out to the side. Put it in. Once again, test it before you close the glove box door. All right. So now most of you guys are going to ask me, how do you get this apart? Very simple. See the little tabs up top here? Okay. See how they're missing on this one? So you're going to take the old one, really give it a turn. You know, put a pair of channel locks on there. It's just simpler to break those little two tabs off than to get something up in here and screw up the glove box door or mess up your chrome. You know, if you have to dig in there, the only thing I would recommend is light bulb pliers. I got these on the Snap-on truck. Don't even know if there's a part number on them or not. So, but that's the only thing that's going to get in here, not to really scratch it up. But simplest way is you're replacing it anyway. Pair of channel locks. It'll break those little tabs off. Then you can unscrew it, and it comes apart the same way we reassembled it. All right. Where you buy your classic Cadillac parts from matters.